welcome back to October. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Wednesday or Monday or Friday, I'm not sure. It's a Walt Disney whatever October / we do videos way more in October than we do in anything else. So if you're new here and that was all new to you, check out the subscribe button and that bell to get notified whenever I post one of my crazy videos. Alright, today I did Maleficent in Disneyland. Landis was the Maleficent and she was so excited to be this character. I feel like we have a bigger heart for Maleficent because we've seen more movies about her and how she actually became evil, so we feel for her a little bit more. I think they need to post more movies about all the other villains so we can have a heart towards them and realize like they just had a really hard childhood and we can feel for them. I feel like Evil Queen is a little bit like that with that one show, Happily Ever After, is that what it's called? That one show, Once Upon a Time. That's what it is. Alright, so anyways, Maleficent was really fun to do and super cute, so let's get going, and this is how we bounded for Maleficent this year.
Alrighty guys, for Maleficent, don't get scared because that was some amazing footage in the castle by Anna. Okay, we are using our Chillin' Like a Villain SVG, which I actually designed with my patrons on a Saturday morning because on Saturday mornings my Design With Me videos come out for my patrons, so check that out if you want. I got this black shirt from Target and I'm just going to use white and gold Easy Weed. If you need white and gold Easy Weed, you can check out my store called shopantitay.com. We've got all the different types of Easy Weed that you ever will need, including flocked, iron-on, holographic, all that good stuff. Okay, anyways, enough with the QVC or whatever I'm doing right here. Alright, I'm going to iron on the Chillin' and Villain part, and then I'm going to go in with Like A. I'm going to re-protect my Chillin' Like a Villain. If this seems weird or you have no idea what I'm doing, I'm using a Cricut and I'm using an Easy Press, and I have videos on my channel all about this stuff. If you guys want to know any more about how to do this, or you're wondering what on earth I am doing. Then we're going to make her an awesome hat, and this hat is with a black satin hat that I got at Walmart, some black ears that are just cheap, some really cute sequins fabric, and some really awesome, like, I don't know what that is, metal looking fabric, and some black. Everything's black. Just go to the craft store and buy all the black things, and then you've got a villain. Okay, so I'm just going to use the cheap ear and give it a good glue around the outside and stick it to this fabric, this sequenced fabric. I did get all this fabric at Joann's because I love Joann's. It's awesome. Then I'm going to use my scissors, and just mind you, sequins ruin scissors. So I kind of doled up my Cricut scissors. I was kind of annoyed. I should have used my dollar store scissors for this, but I guess it was worth it because these are really cute. So I did this to both ears, and this hat is originally like $8 from Walmart. It was on clearance for $3, but to find the perfect spot for a hat, you use the two notches, not the first notch on the front, but the second notch on the hat. And I'm just going to make a bow. So this is how I like to do my bows now. I've always changed it up a little bit, but I'm going to take a square of fabric and kind of hem the edges with hot glue because this is a no-sew project, because who's got time to sew right now? We're going to Disneyland. And then I'm going to fold in them a third. That would be like a quarter technically, or a third. I don't know. Math isn't my thing either. And then I'm going to fold them in and fold the corners in so that it looks like this. I'm not sure how to explain that, but that's what it should look like. And then once that's fully dry, we're going to cinch it. And I'm just going to use for the center these black sequins. They're not sequins. They're like crystal on a strip that are gluey, that are stickers. And you can get them at Joann's as well. Okay, so I'm going to just clip this all together and put that around the center, kind of like using an accordion type thing. And then I am going to use some hot glue and put it right in front of those ears. I like to bring my bow just a little bit forward because it allows it to kind of just look a little bit more poofy, and then also reinforce it by attaching it to the ears, which helps it stand upright. And the thing I love about the hats is they do stand upright no matter what because they're nice and tight on your head. They shade you, all that good stuff.